guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today, it's day 3 here in Japan, and we are going to explore some of the most beautiful gardens here in Tokyo. So this morning, we are headed to Rikugen Garden, and Rikugen Garden, guys, is one of the best autumn spots here in Tokyo. So make sure that you check their website before you come and visit. I'll just include the link in the description box below. So there is an entrance fee of 300 yen. So if you will convert it in Philippine peso, that's around 120 pesos. Pero super worth it naman talaga siya. For the entrance fee, it's 300 yen per person, and you can either pay it in cash or use your credit card. Also, the garden opens at 9 a.m. So, meron din dito guys, autumn illumination. So, it's like an evening light up show, but of course, the entrance fee will be different, and they only offer that, of course, during autumn season. Rikugen Garden is quite spacious, and it takes about an hour para malibot mo yung buong garden. Pero of course inabot kami dito ng ilang oras. So sinulit talaga namin yung 120 pesos namin. As you can see guys, the colors of the leaves are so vibrant. Nagahalo-halo yung kulay ng red, orange, tsaka yellow. So, ang saya lang kumuha ng mga pictures dito. If you are in Tokyo during autumn, make sure to come and visit Rikugen Garden. So please join us as we explore more of the Rikugen Garden and enjoy its peaceful nature.
Langayin tayo niyan, Mi. Oo.
Ba nagtitira sa ano?
11 minutes.
Naging kalaga ng ano, dito.
We're almost done here in Rikajan Garden and our next stop is Ginkgo Avenue. So, gamitin lang natin si Google Maps and check kung paano pupunta doon. After our beautiful visit sa Rikajan Garden, so nandito naman tayo guys sa Ginkgo Avenue. And this is one of the most famous autumn spots here in Tokyo. So time check here, it's 2 p.m. Medyo marami ng tao. So we're actually planning to visit again tomorrow. So pupuntahan natin to early morning para hindi pa ganun ka-crowded. Yung buong avenue nito guys is 300 meters long and it's filled with over 100 ginkgo trees. So during autumn, pag nahulog na yung mga leaves, sobrang magical talaga nung vibe. So let's now head to the Imperial East Garden and balikan na lang natin tong Ginkgo Avenue tomorrow morning.
Hi guys! So we're now here at the Imperial Garden. Ooh, lamig!
So the East Gardens are part of the Imperial Palace grounds and they're actually open to the public. Kailangan talaga guys, maaga kayo nagsa-start ng tour kasi maagang dumidilim dito. So, time check here, it's 4 p.m. Pero ang dilim na, kaya medyo mahirap nang kumuha ng mga photos. Ayan guys, tapos na yung day 3 adventure natin here in Tokyo. We had such a great time at Rikugen Garden, Gikko Avenue, and Imperial Palace East Garden. So if ever you are in Tokyo, make sure to check out these spots, especially if you love nature and history. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more Japan adventures. See you next time!